This video will show you how to restore your PC to the day it was shipped from the AGK offices using the tiny USB stick that came with it. First, we need to enter the BIOS, so when you reboot your computer, hit Escape until the BIOS window pops up. Then you're going to arrow over with the arrow keys to boot, and then you're going to use the down arrow to go to boot option 1, hit Enter, and select SanDisk, and hit Enter. Then you'll hit the right arrow over to save and exit and hit enter twice. Now when the computer restarts, you will see a blue window that says Macrium Reflect, and this screen will pop up. So from here we're going to click Browse for an image file, and from here we can click on this PC or just click the drop down and select the USB drive E. Next, double click on AGK image and we can select any of the images here. Just click on one of them and hit open. Then you're going to select Restore Image on the right hand side of the screen. Then you simply hit Next, and then you hit Finish, and it should start restoring the PC. Once it's done, you can hit Close and hit the X at the top right of the screen. And do the same thing by hitting Escape to go to the BIOS, so we can reselect the proper drive to boot from. Again, go over to the boot option 1, hit Enter and select Hood Disk, Enter, and over to save and exit and hit Enter. And now the computer should boot up to the main Windows screen.